Hi there, friends. Welcome to today's Vivacious Vocab. Let's start off today with our special Vivacious Vocab cheer. Va-va-vroom, va-va-vroom. It's time for Vivacious Vocab. Va-va-vroom, va-va-vroom. It's time for Vivacious Vocab. Okay, friends. The word of the day is, well, I'm going to give you a few little hints. It starts with the S sound, the S sound, and it has 3-syllable beats. 1, 2, 3. The big, gigantic word of the day is, wait for it, wait for it, drum roll, please. Similar. Similar means it looks almost the same, but it isn't exactly the same, but it's very close to the same. Similar starts with the S sound, the S sound. And let's clap out the syllables in similar. Sim-e-ler. 3-syllable beats. Okay, friends, let's take a look at some things that are similar. Take a look at these 2 kitty cats. They are similar. They look close to the same, but they are not exactly the same. Now, take a look at these 2 dogs. They look close to the same. They both have fur and 4 legs, but they do not look exactly the same. They are similar, but not the same. Did you know that shapes can be similar too? Yes, a square and a rectangle are similar. They each have 4 sides and 4 corners, but they do not look exactly alike. The rectangular has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and the square has 4 sides that are exactly the same size. So the rectangle and square are similar, but they are not exactly the same. Take a look at this fruit. This lemon and this orange look similar, but the orange is orange and the lemon is yellow. The orange is bigger than the lemon and much rounder too. But they do look similar because they each have a rind on them and they're each kind of circular. So they look similar, but they do not look exactly the same. Take a look at these 2 fish. I love fish. I love to watch them swim around and around. These 2 fish look very similar. Yes, they do, but they are not exactly the same. Think about what's similar about them. What do you notice about them that looks kind of the same? Yeah? Cool. Now, take a look at these 2 horses. Can you look for some things about these 2 horses that are similar? Yeah, they each have 4 legs. Yeah, they each have a tail. Yes. Oh, yes, and they're both very big and strong. They are very, very similar, but they are not exactly the same. Okay, friends, today, can you look around your house and find things that look similar but not exactly the same? Can you find something in your house that's similar to you? Maybe it's a mommy or a daddy or grandma or grandpa. They might look similar to you. Or a brother or sister might look similar to you. Or maybe you have some pets. Can you take a look at your pets and see if you can find something that looks similar to your pet? Like, let's say you have a kitty cat. Maybe you could find a picture of a kitty cat that looks similar to your kitty cat. Okay, friends, let's say goodbye with our Va-Va Vroom song, and then it'll be time to go. Va-Va Vroom, Va-Va Vroom. It's time to say goodbye to Vivacious Vocab. Bye-bye, friends.